There are many ways to go kayaking. You can paddle long distances, you can race, but it is also interesting to explore the shoreline in more detail. Kayaks take you to places that are inaccessible to other boats. I get a kick out of driving through low bridges. Now I want to explore a sewage channel. Here it gets so narrow that I can't use my paddle. And here someone has hidden his house among the reeds. Of course, there has to be time for a selfie. And now with full power through the landing stage. And now I drive through the thick curtain of leaves of a weeping willow. Unfortunately, it's already time to go home again.